Okay, not bad, not bad. Not a bad size. I got my drag maybe a little too tight. Ooh, soaked me. Kind of figured that was gonna happen. This mud is really something else, as usual. Jeez. Okay, I need to stick to the rope. Ugh, it just won't stop bleeding. It's annoying.